Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm headed into Target, so I'm inviting you to come with me. Let's go shopping. I am back in Target and they've put out some more new things I want to share with you guys, starting with these little metal compost bins. They are super cute for just $1. They also put out a couple of new dish towels in pairs of 2 for $3. All of this stuff is very garden oriented, but it does have a boho feel to it. They have a really nice acrylic rain gauge for $3 and a jute and wooden bead plant hanger. This one is $5. I believe there are probably different styles. This is the only one I found here today. To go with it, they have these little planters. Now they do have an irrigation hole at the bottom, which is really nice, and they're $5. This store only had it in gray. They also have some adorable metal watering cans for $3 in black, white, and copper. They also have these little trivets for $3 in black and white. There's probably a few more prints out there, but this is what I found here today. And to go along with these items, they have some really pretty candles. I love the packaging. They are $3 a piece. They have it in the mint, fresh and green, and smell the roses. They put out some really cute miniature planters. Now these are not as small as the $1 planters we've seen before, but lots of black and white. Just like in these little garden stakes, some really fun little sayings on them. The sets are $3 a piece and they come in the black and white. They're also putting out a few different herbs in these little metal hanging pots for $3 a piece. Some black, white, and galvanized. They do have it in flowers like the black-eyed Susans, the petunias, and all kinds of herbs. And speaking of herbs, they do have these little DIY herb pots in galvanized metal for $5. Something I have not seen yet are these little recipe binders. They also have them for the garden. They are $5 a piece. They come in 3 different prints. This one is all about gardening. Lots of little pockets for your seeds, and it also comes in the yellow. Now on to some new finds for Mother's Day. They are putting out a few things, including these mugs for $3 a piece in the really pretty teal, bright orange with love, and gray in goddess. They're also putting out some really tall tumblers with lots of glitter to them in silver and gold for $5. And perfect for Mother's Day, they're putting out these little photo signs. They are $3 a piece. They come in 3 different colors, the teal, this one in the natural wood with sort of a peach background, and a very, very bright pink. If you're looking to put a gift basket together, they have these little woven totes, perfect for that, for $5. It comes in the natural jute, orange, and I believe there's a green. They also have a few little mirrors out, this one in rose gold for $3, and also for $3 they have it in the floral print with Best Mom Ever on it, as well as this one in cork. They all have metal chain hangers, and it also comes in green. Along with that collection, they're putting out a few different candles. These are $3 a piece. They come in the pineapple, this one in rose, and in the amber jar, this one that says, "You are my sunshine." Over here, they're also putting out some little $1 succulents in little clay pots, a few different ones to choose from. And also for Mother's Day, they're putting out these little sets of 5 bath bombs. This one in Ocean Mist. They are $3 a bag. It also comes in this one in pink, in sandalwood and vanilla, and in purple they have the lavender fields. They're also putting out a few little totes for Mother's Day. Now these are a little bit longer and more narrow than we're used to seeing at the Bullseye's Playground, but I found them here today in 2 prints for Mother's Day, and they're both $3. And also for $3, they're putting out these really pretty little zipper pouches. It's probably the perfect little makeup bag to go in a couple different prints. Lots of orange, a little bit of teal, and lots of pink. To go along with those zipper pouches, they're also doing the little train cases for $5. Again, a perfect little gift for Mother's Day on a budget. Something I would be completely happy to receive for Mother's Day is one of these little magnetic notepads for the fridge. They did put it out in a few different prints for just $1. And right next to that, they have the little power packs as well as the little lightning cables. Today I also found quite a few handmade cards for Mother's Day for just $1. Lots of pretty prints to choose from. They did do a lot of pink, orange, and green. This Target has some more pieces to the nautical decor I shared with you in our last shop with me. The arrow in white and teal, and the standing sea sign that comes in the nautical rope. Those are both $3 items. And I showed you guys these bottles last time. Well, it turns out there are 3. It also comes in green in the smallest size for $3. A couple of new signs to the tiki decor I shared with you are these $3 signs in happy hour and tiki time. And lastly, just a few additional colors I spotted in the items I shared in our last Target shop with me. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.